Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to download PDF from WhatsApp web. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type web.whatsapp.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have enabled app lock in my WhatsApp web. If you do not know how to, I've created a video regarding how to turn on app lock. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have successfully logged into my WhatsApp account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now to the main point. Here's a PDF that my friend had sent. Now what I want to do to simply download it is right here. There's a download button like icon. Simply click on it. And as you can see, the file is being downloaded. It's gonna take some time depending upon your internet speed. Well, as you can see, the file has been successfully downloaded. In case you did not find the download icon, well, there's another option as well. Let's simply hover over to this chat right here. That's the PDF. And right here there's a button like this pointing downward. Simply click on it and this will pop up. Now again, simply click on download. Well guys, that's it. That's how we download PDF from WhatsApp web. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.